What were you saying, Hamza?
So I need the in the front
Propeller. Okay.
propeller
And the wings.
yeah,
Okay.
and the wheels.
And the wheel.
Oh yeah.
Okay, my boy. I'll cut it for you. Ne? You gonna help me cut it, ne? Okay. Spider-Man, make everything red first, ne? Okay? That's the color like for Nemo. That's the right color for Nemo. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, Michael. What you wanna do?
I want to put the blue color here.
You like the blue? You wanna make it the same like how you see it there? Okay, cool then. No problem.
Let me bring my one, then you can take a painting picture of it, okay?
Yeah, go fetch you one quickly. What color are you gonna use? Like the pink.
Pink.
Okay, so you can go for it. Your thing is ready, ne? Yeah, it's ready.
Nemo is black. Yeah, that's the movie's name.
Did you find for Nemo?
What's a tree truck?
Velocity truck. Great.
And it's gonna be nitrous.
I don't think he loves
Yes.
Okay.
16-inch wheels
Wow. And
and drop suspension and
dangerous.
sound system.
That's too dangerous for this road.
Thanks.
Wow. Let's see.
Yeah, I know. Put my 6x90 wheels. Then I'm ready to hit the road, bruh. Wanna go party? Hey, he's him outside.
Wow.
He's buzzy. Because I'm putting a little bit more paint on the now.